Most of the people are living the unsaid, unheard lives of their grandparents. They don't even know that they're repeating a trauma which doesn't even belong to them.
जेनरेशनल ट्रॉमा, एक लाइन में आप क्या बोलोगे, वो क्या है?
Unsaid story of your ancestors that they lived in a time where they were not able to fulfill certain things.
Master Vani Kabir is a world-renowned spiritual guide and the visionary behind the Everenru philosophy, and she believes in making spirituality simple.
There is no coincidence in the universe.
Okay.
Nothing happens. अगर आपका पैर भी दीवार में बज रहा है तो वो कोइंसिडेंस नहीं है. It is a message. It's not destiny. It's a message. So the karmic partner is the one who's going to poke you and bring out the worst in you. In the same breath you love the person, and in the same breath you hate the person also. But in a master partner relationship, it's not that.
Destiny versus free will, ये what is the weightage?
See, destiny is a concept that was created.
आज मुझे आपसे एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछना है कि आपको लगता है कि आप सब कुछ ठीक कर रहे हो, पर फिर भी ऐसे पैटर्न्स हैं आपकी लाइफ में जो ब्रेक नहीं हो रहे. आपको पता है कि वो रिलेशनशिप, वो जॉब गलत है, पर आप फिर भी उसमें से निकल नहीं पा रहे. सो व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न? व्हाई आर वी स्टक इन पैटर्न्स दैट वी नो आर बैड फॉर अस? Today, I have Master Vani Kabir joining me, who is a very renowned shaman and energy healer. And आज हम बात करने वाले हैं about a very important topic, generational trauma. Energy, आपकी body, क्या energy आपकी body में store होती है, और and more importantly, how can we break free from this generational trauma and negative patterns to live our dream life? So, Master Vani, thank you so much for joining me on the Sangam project.
Amalvi. It is really nice to have you here.
Amalvi, what is?
Amalvi is a one-word prayer that means that I wish hope and magic for you.
Oh, lovely. And what language is that?
It is a channeled word. It came from Lemuria, which is the first civilization of the planet.
Acha.
Yes.
Okay, I would touch upon Lemuria a bit as we go along. And आप end तक रहेगा, because like every episode, this is an episode and Master Vani is a true master in making spirituality simple. तो हम spirituality की बातें करेंगे, but more importantly practical takeaways throughout the conversation that you can apply in your relationships, in your career and your other aspects of your life. So Master Vani, before we delve into this magical conversation with you, एक ट्रेडिशन है संगम प्रोजेक्ट में. आई ऑलवेज आस्क माई गेस्ट टू सेट अ स्मॉल इंटेंशन फॉर द कन्वर्सेशन टू फॉलो.
Wonderful. I think the intention that I would like to set for all the listeners is that they all find the path that they want to choose, and that path should be lit with divine guidance.
How beautiful. On that note, my first question to you, Vani, is that हमें ना awareness होती है कि ये मेरे लिए गलत है. We have that awareness.
Of course, yeah.
But we still, all of us, still are repeating negative patterns in our life. वो क्यों हो रहा है?
See, there are some things that we have chosen for ourselves. हम एक soul contract में कुछ चीज़ें अपने लिए choose करके आए हैं. That ये positive और ये negative तो हमें देखना ही है, because तभी हमारा soul evolve करेगा.
Okay.
Awareness of the negativity is there in us. Sometimes that awareness of the negativity is there for us to judge and take the right decision, and sometimes it is there, but we have to go through that wrong or right decision.
Okay.
You know? So that awareness of understanding that what trauma is inherited and what trauma is there with you for this life that you have chosen for yourself, that differentiation is very important.
Okay.
Most of the people are living the unsaid, unheard lives of their grandparents.
अच्छा.
And
okay.
they don't even know that they're repeating a trauma which doesn't even belong to them.
Okay.
So वो clarity life में होना कि ये ट्रॉमा मेरा है,
हाँ.
तो स्तुति का ट्रॉमा मैं स्तुति के साथ हील करूंगी, मेरा ट्रॉमा मैं खुद हील कर लूंगी.
हाँ.
बट हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सारी दुनिया का बोझ उठा के चल रहे हैं और फिर कह रहे हैं यार ये तो बन ही नहीं रहा काम, मैं तो मेहनत ही बहुत कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
मेरी तो जॉब ही नहीं लग रही,
हाँ.
मैं तो अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट करता हूँ, क्रेडिट कोई और ले जाता है, रिलेशनशिप में जाती हूँ तो इमोशनली अनअवेलेबल लोग मिल रहे हैं.
Correct.
सो वी आर रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन एंड कॉलिंग इट लाइफ.
सो यू यूज़ द वर्ड इनहेरिटेड.
Yes.
तो जब हम इनहेरिटेंस की बात करते हैं, वी ऑलवेज थिंक हम अपने एंसेस्टर्स से लैंड इनहेरिट कर रहे हैं, ज्वेलरी इनहेरिट कर रहे हैं, एसेट्स इनहेरिट कर रहे हैं, बट यू सेड ट्रॉमा. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा?
It is a generational trauma. The same way that you inherit the color of your eyes, the color
Yeah.
of your hair, the body type.
Yeah.
You inherit diseases, you inherit trauma, you inherit blessings. It is all in the same. वो package पूरा ही आ रहा है ना. There's no
हाँ.
way to segregate. It's not like water and oil that you can put aside and say, okay, I don't want this and I only want this. It's not going to come like that. So if you are in that space where I wouldn't say if you are, all of us are in that space where ancestral trauma is given to us, you know.
Okay.
But with that ancestral trauma comes the ancestors' blessings also. But we don't look at that. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ पितृदोष. अरे पितरों के सिर्फ दोष ही थोड़ी थे, कुछ भी अच्छा भी तो किया था ना उन्होंने लाइफ में. they had built strength, they had built resilience. Today if your business is collapsing, you know, and you have the strength to restart it, where do you think it is coming from?
From your ancestors?
From the people who've lived before you, because you are the most powerful manifestation of them.
You
They
are
wanted-
because of them.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know, even if you're a new soul, you at least have 1440 ancestors. Forget about an old soul like me who is coming from Lemuria. I don't even know how many ancestors I have.
Oh, really?
But that is the number of ancestors that you have. हमें ना स्तुति सिखाया ही शुरू से बहुत चीज़ें गलत गई है. हम क्या करते हैं, एक सो इमेजिन दिस इज अ पेपर.
Yeah.
तो हम बचपन में एक वो फैमिली ट्री बनाते थे,
हाँ,
है ना.
हाँ.
तो दिस इज मी, है ना, दिस इज माय मदर एंड फादर,
Yes.
देन दिस इज माय ग्रैंड मदर एंड ग्रैंडफादर, ये मेरे नाना नानी है, फिर ये उनके नाना नानी है. सो व्हेन यू लुक एट दैट ट्री, द होल बर्डन ऑफ द एंसेस्ट्री कम्स डाउन टू you.
And it's like this.
It's like this, right? This is a wrong representation. In the shamanic world, they say you're the center of it. Around you is your mother and your father and your grandfather and your great grandfather and so on and so forth. And it also connects to all the pets. It also connects to all the gods that you believe in. Why is it that
Okay.
somebody believes in Shiva more and somebody believes in Ganpati more and somebody believes in Sikhism? Somebody who's born in Sikhism but believes in Hanumanji more.
Yeah.
You know, somebody who's born a Christian but believes is doing a Buddhist chanting. How is that happening?
How is that happening?
Because those were the chosen ancestors.
Okay.
Back then in the lineage, you know, when these gods were there, when they were alive, when they were walking the planet, even then there was a part of your lineage which was there. You know, so maybe your like super 10 great grandfather had met Buddha or was alive in the age of Buddha, and that was very deeply resonated with him.
Yeah.
You know, and that particular part has trickled down like little by little to you, and now you're taking that up in a full-fledged way. Nobody else did, but because it resonated with you, because you chose that in your soul contract कि मुझे कुछ बहुत अलग सा religion experience करना है.
तो
So-
ये रिलीजन भी सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा होता है?
Absolutely, everything. There is
अच्छा.
no coincidence in the universe.
ओके.
Nothing happens. अगर आपका पैर भी दीवार में बज रहा है तो वो कोइंसिडेंस नहीं है. It is a message. It's not destiny. It's a
हाँ.
message.
That was my next question, which you already answered. तो मतलब when you say soul contract and it's not a coincidence, तो मतलब then of course I have to ask you the age-old question: destiny versus free will. ये what is the weightage?
See, destiny is a concept that was created to take away your power.
Okay.
That सब कुछ लिखा गया है, कोई और है जिसने आपकी लाइफ लिख दी है. So let me put it this way. I meet you and I tell you, स्तुति, तुम्हारी लाइफ के जितने अच्छे दिन थे वो अब ख़त्म हो चुके हैं. what would you feel?
Horrible,
Powerless.
powerless, depressed.
So, destiny as a concept in itself is something else, but the connotation that is given to destiny and the framework that is given to that is to create powerless individuals. By telling them that somebody else is sitting there who has decided things for you, and you are the one who is going to suffer through it, और सफरिंग तो होनी ही है क्योंकि आप ह्यूमन फॉर्म में आए हो तो कुछ ना कुछ तो सफ़र करना ही पड़ेगा, एंड थिंग्स लाइक दोज, एंड द ओनली वे आउट इज़ द सैल्वेशन, द प्रेयर, द एनलाइटनमेंट, एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स.
Yeah.
The real meaning of destiny or a soul contract that you would like to say is are a certain set of experiences chosen by human consciousness, not a human being. When you are a human consciousness, before you take birth as a human,
Yeah.
you decide certain things in your consciousness that, okay, I want to experience this. I want to experience divorce. I want to experience loss of business. I want to experience loss of child. Why?
Oh.
Because I want to evolve as a soul. And the only thing that the soul cares about is evolution, because that's the only way you can go to the source. This whole enlightenment charade and everything that started off was to make you feel less. We are all enlightened already,
Yeah.
in every sense of it. Even the
Okay.
person who's a murderer has a part of him that is enlightened. You are just not touching upon that part, and you're
Yes.
looking at the other side of it.
Yeah.
You know, it's like the sun, you know. The sun is always there. It is because the earth is revolving on a certain axis you experience a day and light. You
But
know?
वो है.
वो तो है.
हाँ.
You know, it is not going anywhere. You know, you are moving. So today you may be a very bad person, you know, in your head, that मैं तो बहुत बुरा हूँ, मैं तो शराब भी पीता हूँ, मैं तो सिगरेट भी पीता हूँ, मैं तो ये भी करता हूँ. Tomorrow you may decide to switch and become a completely different person, and in
Yeah.
your own eyes you become good, and in your own eyes you become bad.
Yeah.
You know, so it's just the way that you are looking at life. So the soul only cares for the evolution, and the harder the experience, the better the evolution.
It's faster.
It's faster. So some people have a very slow, they say okay we'll go with a slow path, but मुझे तो लाइफ enjoy करनी है, मुझे तो मतलब ऐसे अर्थ स्कूल पे जाके enjoy करना है, मुझे देखना है क्या क्या होता
Earth
है.
school. I love that.
Yeah. So बस मुझे तो ये करना है, and I will just, मैं 50% रहूँगा, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ऊपर नहीं जाना.
ऊपर नहीं जाना है मुझे. Then somebody is like no, I want to excel at it.
Yeah.
You know, so it's just that, and there comes free will. I'll give you an example. When you play a game, right, so imagine you're playing a Mario or a Temple Run. मेरे जनरेशन में वही थे.
Mario.
Gen Z एग्री नहीं करे, और Gen Z will be like क्या है टेम्पल रन, क्या होता है. बट मैंने बहुत
Yeah.
खेली थी.
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
अब उसमें जब आप वो गेम खेल रहे हो, आपका एक आउटकम आ रहा है हर बार, है ना. यहाँ आप फेल हो जा रहे हो, या आप गिर जा रहे हो, या आप जंप कर जा रहे हो, या आपको मगरमच्छ खा जा रहा है उसमें, कुछ भी है ना. बट उसके रैम पे वो सारे आउटकम्स ऑलरेडी लिखे हुए हैं. द वे यू प्ले द गेम, you are choosing the outcome.
Yeah.
So the way you are living everyday life, you're choosing a new reality for you every second.
Yeah.
Like people tell me that, you know, we are manifesting. आज हमने सुबह उठ के ये manifest किया, तो मैं कहती हूँ अच्छा फिर दोपहर में क्या किया. दोपहर में तो हम सुबह उठ के हम manifest कर रहे थे that I need 10 crores for my business, or I need 2 lakhs for this, I need 5 lakhs for the house,
Yeah.
I need this manifestation. And दोपहर में हम ऑटो वाले भैया को बोल रहे हैं 10 रुपये कम ले लो.
हाँ. तो वो कैसे मैच हो?
कैसे मैच करेगा ना. Because you're not just manifesting 30 minutes in a day, you're manifesting every second of your life.
Absolutely.
And the moment you realize that little thing that you're actually manifesting every second of your life, you manifested me, I manifested you to be here, and that is the reason we are sitting here.
Yeah.
We
True.
chose those paths that led us to each other,
Yeah. Yeah.
you know, and that is exactly what free will is. That it gives you a choice, that you wake up every day and you choose who you want to be today, and it is such a beautiful thing that people choose themselves.
I love that. That, you know, we need to change our thinking
Yeah.
into making it feel like this is giving, like how you said, life is a game. You're playing it. And I think a lot of people, they don't want to take that responsibility.
Of
So
course,
they
because
back
it's
up.
difficult, no? What the most difficult thing in the world is to work on yourself.
Yes. true.
ये ऐसे करना तो बहुत आसान है.
हाँ.
तुमने ऐसा किया, तुम्हारी वजह से मैं ऐसा फील कर रही हूँ, मुझे गुस्सा भी तुम ही दिला रहे हो, मेरी ज़िंदगी भी तुम्हारी वजह से ही ख़राब हो रही है, तुम ही हो मेरे सारे इश्यूज़ का जड़, द रूट.
हाँ.
But it is so difficult to really stand in front of the mirror and look at yourself and say that, listen, there are things that I need to change about myself.
Absolutely.
This pattern has been going on forever. I've been fighting with my husband forever. What is it that I can change? I've been scolding my children left, right, and center. What is it that I can just change? A small thing. Maybe I can just sit with my child for 5 minutes. Maybe every day when he comes home and I'm in the office, I can just pick up the call and ask him, how was your day?
Yeah.
बट वो छोटे से चेंज को मल्टीप्लाई करके हर रोज़ फेस करना अपने साथ, वो चेंज लाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत चाहिए. तो इसलिए वो मेहनत तो डिफ़िकल्ट है. सो मेनी पीपल, आई हैव डन लाइक 70,000 रीडिंग्स टिल डेट. जितने लोग मेरे पास आते हैं उसमें से कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ रैंट करने के लिए आते हैं. अब तो खैर नहीं आते क्योंकि मैं डांट के उन्हें भेज देती हूँ. पहले बहुत आते थे. तो मैं उन्हें कहती थी कि लिसन, दिस इज़ नॉट योर सास बहू सोप ओपेरा पेज दैट यू कम एंड यू जस्ट टॉक अबाउट. यू रियली वांट टू चेंज योर लाइफ, यू कम. If you don't want to change your life, what's the point? This is what, if I'm giving you a solution and you're saying नहीं मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, अच्छा फिर ये कर लो, नहीं ये भी मुझसे नहीं होगा, then why are you here?
वो सुनना है कि हाँ आई एम अग्रीइंग विद यू, वो गलत है आपकी लाइफ में.
तो योर मदर इन लॉ इज रॉन्ग, सी तुम्हारे से कितना बुरा हो रहा है, बिकॉज दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ऑल द एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स एंड पंडित्स एंड एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग. दैट अरे हाँ ये तो ऐसा ही होता है. मेरी एक और क्लाइंट थी, उसकी भी मदर इन लॉ ऐसी थी, उन्होंने तो काला जादू किया हुआ था, उन्होंने तो येलो जादू किया था. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी कलर्स ऑफ जादू आल्सो देयर आर देयर टुडे.
वाओ, दैट्स न्यूज़ टू मी.
So you really don't know what is going on, but the real thing is that you have to work on yourself.
Yes.
As long as you are not doing that, your life is going to be as miserable and it's going to spiral downwards.
Yeah.
The moment you take up the step and you say that, okay, I'm going to change just one tiny bit.
Every single day.
You just do that one tiny bit. Okay, next 2 months, I'm only going to work on this. I'm just going to learn all the ways of embedding this into my life.
Yes.
And then I'm going to take a break and then I'm going to start with another thing. And then I'm going to take a break and start with another thing. That is how you keep improving yourself. And trust you me, you cannot change another person. I have never been able to change another person. But I have been able to instigate the change in another person by telling them that this is what the change is going to bring. Also, more by showing them that this is how the change is done.
Beautiful. I'm so glad you touched upon this, because as I like, and you know how small changes, that's the practical bit, because earlier I used to believe like 0 to 100 सब कुछ करना है, and in trying to do that was not sustainable change. But now my mantra for everything is consistency over perfection. So that one small thing every day. But I want to go back, जो हमने बात की थी about पितृदोष and linking it to generational trauma. तो पहले तो हम कैसे, how will you say, अगर कोई पहली बार ये word use सुन रहा है, generational trauma, एक लाइन में आप क्या बोलोगे, वो क्या है?
It's the unsaid story of your ancestors that they lived in a time where they were not able to fulfill certain things. या तो सोसाइटी की वजह से, या अपने किसी शॉर्टफॉल की वजह से, या किसी की चीटिंग की वजह से, या उनके साथ लाइफ तो उनके साथ भी ऐसी ही थी ना जैसे हमारे साथ आ जाए. सो हम भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर पा रहे हैं और नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. जो चीज़ें नहीं कर पा रहे हैं उसका गुस्सा भी है, उसका एंगर है, उसकी सैडनेस भी है, और जो चीज़ अचीव कर ली उसकी खुशी भी है. सो and all of those experiences are coming with us in our subconscious mind, because we all share the same subconscious. No one can escape it. If there's no one in this world who can get up and say that I am free from ancestral trauma, या मेरे पास तो मेरे को कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है. Even the ones who are adopted, even the ones who don't even know who their parents are, they're still living a legacy that they don't know about. So generational trauma is something that there is a legacy that was there before you. There was a life that was before you, multiplied by 100, 200, 500 people, and their story lives in you. And as a soul contract, you've chosen to clear some of that soul trauma.
Okay.
सो किसी के हिस्से वेल्थ ब्लॉकेज रिमूव करना आ रहा है, किसी के हिस्से हेल्थ आ रहा है, किसी के हिस्से रिलेशनशिप्स आ रहे हैं, किसी के हिस्से जॉब आ रहा है, किसी के हिस्से ट्रैवल आ रहा है, किसी के डिवोर्सेस हो रहे हैं, किसी के बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है, इनफर्टिलिटी इश्यूज हैं, और लोग कह रहे हैं कि अरे हमारे तो सारे टेस्ट नॉर्मल हैं. So there are so many such stories that you see, and there are like such tweaks that you can do. Most of the times the ancestors just want to be heard about what was not right.
Oh,
So when you
okay.
do a ancestral healing, when you call upon the ancestors, people narrate the stories that ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था, और वो उनको जानते भी नहीं है. It's not possible आप maximum 2 generations तक जान जाओगे, है ना?
Absolutely.
So now
हाँ.
even when you study science, it says that you were not born when your mother was pregnant.
Okay.
You were born when your grandmother was pregnant with your mother, and your mother's body had that cell at that time which is going to carry you.
Wow.
So 3 generations work together with the trauma. इसलिए कहते हैं कि वो जो पुरानी कहावत है ना कि एक पीढ़ी छोड़ के आता है.
हाँ.
So that's exactly why it is, because one generation is taking the more of the load, and the second generation after that is able to understand that load better. So basically every generation is doing that, but if you just look at 3 generations, that's how the load is divided.
Okay.
So the third generation is the one that is more advanced to think in a pattern of a black sheep.
इंटरेस्टिंग. एक मेरे को क्वेश्चन आ रहा है क्योंकि आपने बोला एंसेस्ट्रल ट्रॉमा है, बट देन कैन इट बी दैट बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड दिस कि छोटे बच्चे को तो अपनी दादी की मेमोरीज याद आ गई, या कोई उनसे भी ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रैंड फादर जैसा बिल्कुल लगता है. तो इज इट द सेम सोल रीइंकार्नेटिंग अक्रॉस
Absolutely,
जनरेशंस?
it can be.
Okay.
Because we all travel in our soul group.
Okay.
We decide to travel in our soul group, and the soul group is added with every birth. Like in this birth, if I have met you, you are a part of my soul group, but maybe
Okay.
you are a part of my distant soul group.
हाँ.
That you're not in my immediate family, not in my immediate friends, not in my work colleagues, not the people I see every day, and you're there, but you're in the father sector. But in this life, as free will, we decide to be friends,
Okay.
and we decide to be best friends.
Yeah.
So the next life, you and I can be sisters, you and I can be mother-daughter, you and I can be bestest of friends, you and I can be partners together into a business, because as two people's free will, we decided to entangle together.
Got it.
So it is very possible that the child that is born in the family is a reincarnation of an older soul, or can simply resemble that soul, because when the child took on the liberty of signing the soul contract, he said, okay, I want to be like him.
नाइस. सो मास्टर वानी, आप बताइए कि हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि ये जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा है जो हमें हील करना है टू मूव फॉरवर्ड इन लाइफ?
See, something that is repeating in your life over and over again, even when you're trying to fix anything, that's the first sign that it's a generational trauma. It doesn't
Okay.
belong to you.
Okay.
For example, somebody who's ready for marriage,
Yeah.
and she doesn't have any inhibitions about getting married to this person or that person. कोई thought process नहीं है, parents भी सही है, सब कुछ ठीक है, but शादी हो ही नहीं रही, rejection ही आते जा रही है. तो उन्होंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं उससे रिलेटेड. जनरेशनल ट्रॉमा है. किसी इंसान को हेल्थ एंग्जाइटी है, लेकिन उसको कोई हेल्थ एंग्जाइटी का रीज़न नहीं है उसके आसपास. ना वो खुद बीमार है, ना उसकी फैमिली में कभी किसी को कोई क्रॉनिक इलनेस हुआ, ना उसने ऐसी कोई चीज़, कोई एक्सीडेंट, कोई ऐसी चीज़ अपने सामने देखी, लेकिन फिर भी वो हेल्थ एंग्शियस है. पास्ट लाइफ ट्रॉमा है, एंसेस्ट्रल ट्रॉमा है ना. कोई इंसान जॉब कर रहा है बहुत अच्छे से, लेकिन उसको जॉब में कभी अप्रिसिएशन मिल ही नहीं रहा. एक जॉब में नहीं मिला, फिर दूसरे में भी नहीं मिला, फिर तीसरे में भी नहीं मिला. वो जहाँ जा रहा है काम बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, लेकिन अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिल रहा. कई लोग ऐसे हैं जिनके पैसे बढ़ जा रहे हैं, डेजिग्नेशन नहीं बढ़ रहा. सेम डेजिग्नेशन पे पैसे बढ़ रहे हैं, इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है, डेजिग्नेशन नहीं बढ़ रहा. अगेन फेम ट्रॉमा है वहाँ पे. सो द थिंग्स दैट आर रिपीटिंग इन योर लाइफ that you are not able to solve even after doing everything that you think you can. If you are scolding your child and your child is lashing back out to you, that's not generational trauma. You know you are the cause of it.
Yeah.
If you are if you are a person who's like a spy in your relationship and your relationships are not working out, then that's not
The problem
generational
is you.
trauma. That's how you differentiate.
Yeah, I'm glad you said that, because then बहुत ये again can become a reason to just tallow things that you yourself have to do. So I
Yeah,
really
of course.
wanted the distinction.
Like so many people that I see who come to me with relationship issues, especially women, they're so needy. They just want a man in their life to fix things for them.
Yeah.
And the moment they get into a relationship, initially they're like, no, I'm very cool, I'm very chill, I'm very this and that. And then later on, मुझे अभी शादी करनी है, मेरे तो पेरेंट्स, मेरे पास कितने लोग ऐसे आते हैं, मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे फोर्स कर रहे हैं शादी करने के लिए. सो मैंने कहा, अगर तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स तुम्हें फोर्स कर रहे हो तो लड़के के नाक में क्यों दम कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
वो तो अपने टाइमलाइन पे चल रहा है ना.
हाँ.
No, but I want to know whether he's committed to me or no. I said, if you have that question in your head, isn't that the answer itself? Like people come to me and, should I stay in the marriage or no? I said, isn't that the answer itself?
Yeah, if you're questioning it. Yeah. But, you said health trauma, relationship trauma, money trauma. So I want to go into, as we proceed with the podcast, one by one, each
Yeah.
sector. But before that, starting with relationships, but before that I want to ask you कि, क्योंकि बहुत conflicting thoughts हैं, especially marriage, whether they are the best or they don't work out, they end up in divorce. Are these also written as a part of your soul contract, or are we
Absolutely.
choosing our partners?
You are choosing your partner at the soul level. At the soul
Okay.
level, you decide who's going to mirror the worst in me. That's the partner
Acha.
that you choose.
Oh,
You don't choose the best.
never.
Never. Nobody ever chooses the best.
Okay.
All marriages are soul mirrors. All.
Okay.
In the energetic world, you choose somebody who's going to teach you a lesson. Some people would teach that lesson in a milder way.
Acha.
Some would teach them in a very warrior way to you. But we are all just choosing the partners who are going to be exactly the mirrors. We are just choosing our masters. Everyone is a master in our life. My child is my master. My parents are my master. My cats are my masters. They're all teaching me something every moment of my life. बट क्योंकि हम उसे एक दूसरे इंडिविजुअल की तरह देख रहे हैं और क्योंकि हम उसे ऐसे देख रहे हैं कि ये तो मतलब ईगो ट्रिप पे हम लेके जाएंगे, ये मुझे ऐसा बोले, बट द मोमेंट यू सी दैट ये तो वो बिहेवियर मिरर कर रहा है जो मुझे अपने आप में ठीक करना है, तो कहानी ही ख़त्म हो जाएगी.
Beautiful.
The people who realize this, one way or the other, I've seen very beautiful relationships also in my life, and I've seen worst relationships in my life, including my own marriage, But now when I look back at things, he was mirroring the trauma that I was carrying from my mother. He was mirroring the issues that I was not able to cope up with, and at the same time, he was mirroring his own issues with his generational trauma.
So it's a mix of
Yeah.
a lot of things for each human
But
being.
that's why we are here, no? Because of all of this.
Yeah.
सोल पे
Yeah.
तो हम वैसे ही फ्लैटलाइंड हैं,
हाँ.
तो हम
हाँ.
आ ही तो इसी ले रहे हैं.
तो आपको कैसे realize है? I want to also ask a little bit about your personal journey, because you mentioned before we talk about relationship generational trauma. So when did you realize that this pattern in your marriage, this is not healthy and ये generational trauma and
नहीं, मुझे
heal
मैरिज में
करना?
बिल्कुल रियलाइज नहीं हुआ ये.
अच्छा.
So marriage was not good at all. From the first 3 months, it started going bad to worse. Then I had Kabir, and then there were a couple of more years, and then finally we decided to separate. It was an amicable divorce, and but I never had anything to say against him that aisa hua. I just said that this isn't working and I need to go out with Kabir. So me
Okay.
and Kabir moved out.
Yeah.
And hence I was named Vani Kabir, because I decided I didn't want to take my father's name and I didn't want to carry the name that I had from my marriage. So Kabir ने बोला आप मेरा नाम ले लो, वो 5
How
साल का
beautiful.
था. मैंने कहा चलो. तो the first
I
thing
love that.
So I became Vani Kabir and he is Kabir Vani. So we are completely complete in each
That
other.
is so beautiful.
So वो तब तो रियलाइज़ नहीं हुआ ऐसा
हाँ.
कुछ भी. उसके बाद भी एक्चुअली रियलाइज़ नहीं हुआ. उसके बाद आई वेंट इनटू अ लॉट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स, बिकॉज पेरेंट्स होते हैं, उन्हें लगता है कि अब कोई है ही नहीं तो ये कैसे मैनेज करेगी,
हाँ.
गाँव में अकेली रहती है, रेंट कैसे पे करेगी.
Especially for an Indian girl.
All of those things started happening, एंड मुझे भी ये लगा कि आई रियली नीड समबडी इन माई लाइफ बिकॉज कबीर इज़ सो स्मॉल, ही इज़ 5.5-6 years old. और कबीर बड़ा हो जाएगा तो फिर और मुश्किल होगी और कैसे मिलेगा सब. फिर आपके आसपास के लोग सब वही स्टोरी, कोई मुझे
repeat
किसी से मिलवा रहा है,
करते
कोई मुझे
हैं.
किसी से मिलवा रहा है. सो आई डेटेड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रॉग्स, नोबडी टर्न्ड इनटू अ प्रिंस. सो So
Yeah.
then finally I decided I'm going to become my own princess because it's not working out.
I think you're your own queen at this
now,
moment.
yes, now. But 10 years ago,
Yeah.
I was like, okay, खुद ही करना पड़ेगा, कुछ ये होने वाला नहीं है. And I think there was a time, especially around 2017-18, something shifted.
Okay.
After all these relationships that were not going well in my life, and there was a lot of drama. एक पॉइंट आता है ना स्तुति जहाँ पे आपको आके लगता है कि अब बस, that's it, and something really small becomes the last nail in the coffin.
Yeah.
आपकी मतलब लोग कहते हैं ना कि इतनी छोटी सी बात पे इतना रिएक्शन क्यों है, बट वो इतनी छोटी सी बात है नहीं,
पूरा
वो उससे
baggage
पहले
है.
वो भरता जा रहा है
Like that Pepsi
and
can.
then there is this last drop and then everything falls.
Like the Pepsi can which fizzes up.
Yes, it's the last thing. So I think around that time I was dating this person. I was about to get married, and I figured out things are not the way that they are, and wouldn't want to discuss more.
Yeah, fair.
So that sort of really shook me, and I said no. I think I just need to focus on my work. And then from 2017 I started focusing only on my work. एंड वो काम करते करते मुझे लगा कि मैं ये सेम चीज़ कितनी बार कर लूँगी, मैं ये सेम अवार्ड कितनी बार जीत लूँगी, मैं ये सेम कॉपी राइटिंग कितनी बार कर लूँगी. एंड अराउंड 2019 आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड फीलिंग दैट देयर इज़ अ बिगर कॉलिंग टू मी.
Okay.
And 2019 I had a lot of incidents. I had a mark appearing on my hand which we couldn't make sense of what it is.
Oh.
And that's how the spiritual journey actually started.
Okay.
And it was so loud that I couldn't ignore it.
Huh.
And it kept coming over and over and over again, multiple number of
Yeah.
times. We clicked pictures of it, we showed it to a doctor, we showed it to people, nobody had an answer to that. And then we reached out to somebody, like one of my friends. He was a psychic in US. He came over for one of his things, and so he was staying with us. And then we started discussing with him, and he said that listen, I know this one person. Let's talk to her. And that's how the spiritual journey started. That you need to quit your job, you need to meet your spirit guide. And the first few months were like, you all are crazy. यहाँ तो आप मुझे पागल बना रहे हो या आप सब पागल हो.
लॉजिकल माइंड आता है ना.
हाँ, बिकॉज आपको समझ ही नहीं आती ना वो सब चीज़ें. क्या मतलब स्पिरिट गाइड मतलब क्या, मैं हवा में बातें करूँ? दैट्स व्हाट यू मीन टू से. तो ऐसे सब चीज़ों से, वो डिसबिलीफ से टोटल बिलीफ तक आने के लिए इट टेक्स अ लॉन्ग जर्नी.
ब्यूटिफुल. आपने शुरू में बताया था लेमुरिया.
यस.
सो what is that?
So Lemuria, so when this cross started happening on my hand and
Huh.
everything, I used to meditate a lot when that came in. So that's
Okay.
when I started getting the visions of all the past lives that I have lived.
अच्छा.
Up until now I've seen 22 of my past lives that I've documented.
Okay.
My first life was in Lemuria.
And वो कहाँ पे?
Lemuria was the first civilization of Earth, which was not people, it was light workers. The ones who shaped the planet the way it is today.
Okay.
They were the ones who got all the galactic codes in. They were the ones who got all the universal knowledge, wisdom. They were the ones who coded every crystal of the planet with information, with knowledge. जो आज हम कहते हैं crystals हमारे लिए काम करते हैं, gemstones हमारे लिए काम करते हैं. They were the ones who did that. So I was born, the first life was, I was born like that. And
Okay.
hence my connection to Lemuria has been very, very strong. So all the information that I channel, all the guidance that I channel, all the ancestral love, healing, blessing, everything that I channel from there. So इसलिए जब लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि आपकी कोई क्या मोडालिटी, आप रेकी करते हो, क्या आप लामा फेरा हीलिंग करते हो, मैं कहती हूँ नहीं, मैं उनमें से कुछ भी नहीं करती. आई जस्ट चैनल इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम लेमोरिया, आई टेक गाइडेंस फ्रॉम देयर, and then I guide you what needs to be done. And there's a system that was there which was called Evrenru. It's a very old system. It was the first manifestation method that Earth had.
अच्छा. ओके. तो आप जब बोलते हो आप लेमुरिया से मैनिफेस्ट चैनल करते हो, सो इज दैट अनदर एनर्जेटिक प्लेन?
it's a dimension. So everything is inside you, inside your
Acha.
DNA. So imagine that the entire universe is inside you. You are just opening the doors that you want to open.
Okay.
So it's a work of practice, of course, but it's not like you're going out of body to a different place to experience something. All those people who have been connected to you, their experiences, their knowledge, their wisdom is inside you, because the
Okay.
consciousness is the same. So
Yeah.
I am just tapping into my subconscious of that period and bringing that wisdom back here. It's like a book that I've read, है ना. अब जो किताब मैंने ABC की किताब बचपन में पढ़ ली है ना, अब मुझे जब भी कोई नया लेटर लिखना है तो मुझे अपनी बॉडी से बाहर थोड़ी ना जाना है वो लिखने के लिए. आई विल जस्ट क्लोज माई आईज एंड रिमेंबर, अच्छा ये वाले वर्ड को ऐसे लिखा था तब. आई विल राइट इट अगेन.
हाँ. Beautiful. That was so nice. Taking you back to relationships and generational trauma. So, lot of people say, especially people who have, say, grown up seeing not so happy marriages or relationships around them, they always grow up to say, I don't want to be like my parents.
Yeah.
I'll either, like, they're like, I will never marry, or I'll choose a partner who's nothing like my mother or father.
Yeah.
But actually, they
End up choosing that.
end up choosing the same pattern. So, ये क्यों हो रहा है?
See, there's a mother wound and there's a father wound.
Okay.
Mother wound is that it's not like your mother is wounded. Mother wound is that the female lineage of the female lineage has been wounded, which means that the women in the lineage were not respected. They didn't get the due. They were not able to speak up. They were not able to express themselves.
Okay.
They were cheated time and again. They had illnesses that nobody knew of. They passed away with illnesses that nobody knew of. They were shortchanged their entire life. So that's a trauma that is carrying forward. You have to understand that जो आपका closing balance है 31st March को, वही आपका opening balance है 1st of April को. So वो trauma आप carry कर रहे हो. On the father side, it means that the father lineage, the men of the family, the men were not treated right. The
Yeah.
men were cheated upon. The men did not have a great career. The men did not see success. The men had to travel far away. The men had to live away from their families. The men were caught up in some kind of a injustice practice. The men were drunkards. All of that trauma. When that trauma happens, and when two adults, like a mother and a father, with that much of trauma activated in their system, they meet together, they collapse. And when they have children, they are the result of the collapse. They're not the result of the love. And when they are the result of the collapse, the only thing, दूध का जला हुआ छाछ भी फूक फूक के पिएगा. So वो जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो वो सारी वो चीज़ें देखता है, वो कहता है ये तो मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
But he has signed up for that only in the soul contract, so it is going to come to you. Now the only two ways that you can do this is either you can stay in that situation and crib your entire life, and you can be a victim and say कि मेरी तो ज़िंदगी ख़राब हो गई, मेरे तो पेरेंट्स ही ऐसे थे, मेरे तो मम्मी पापा ने ऐसा किया, मेरे तो भाई बहन ने ऐसा किया,
And
you
वो
can-
आप हर लाइफ टाइम में कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते
रहोगे ना, क्योंकि वो बैलेंस आप क्लियर ही नहीं कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
है ना. And the second is you stay, okay, this has to stop with me. This is not going to go to my children. Okay, I understand. I am a result of a life. Even parents who are not good parents are giving you a master class into actually not being bad parents. They are playing the role very well to tell you how not to be.
Beautiful. But if somebody listening in today like अच्छा मेरे को ये trauma है from my parents, तो अगर very practically speaking वो क्या कर सकते हैं आज to start working on this and improving their lives?
To consciously be aware of the repeating patterns. When your mother is not behaving well with you, you're also not behaving well with her. So change you, not her.
Nice.
So when you know that this part of, if your mother is asking you 40 times in a day, क्या खाना है, क्या खाएगा, breakfast में बैठे हैं, lunch में क्या खाएगा, lunch में बैठे हैं, dinner में क्या खाएगा, and that's irking you and that's bugging you, something as small as that. It's a pattern that you need to change. And when you change that response, the question changes.
Lovely. And I wanted to know more from a relationship perspective to attract, say that, like you actually said, you attract partners only to who teach you lessons. So let's reframe to say, acha, to have a happy relationship or a marriage.
उससे
And-
पहले कुछ karma है आपका
हाँ.
जो आपको क्लियर करना है, और वो karma क्लियर करने के लिए कुछ karmic partners आएंगे.
अच्छा.
वो कार्मिक पार्टनर्स आपको क्लियर करेंगे वो karma if you have that. Some people don't have that karmic issue in the sphere of love and relationships and marriage and matrimony. So they find their partner school में childhood love हो जाता है और फिर उनकी life चलती है, and then they just mirror each other's traumas to each other and they are just going about in their life. In cases like me or other people जिनके पास already कुछ karmic balance है which is not working in their favor, they have to clear that karmic balance with other people first before they actually land up with someone who's going to actually be the master. The master, so what is the difference between a master partner and a karmic partner?
Okay.
So the karmic partner is the one who's going to poke you and bring out the worst in you. He's going to teach you in the worst way possible. He's the hard task master.
अच्छा.
And the good master is going to help you understand that. तो वो भी आपके वही चीज़ें मिरर करेगा, बातों पे उसकी भी गुस्सा ही आएगा, लेकिन वो बातें उस लेवल तक नहीं पहुंचेंगी जहाँ पे डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस होगा, जहाँ पे नेम कॉलिंग होगी, जहाँ पे नेम शेमिंग होगी, जहाँ पे बॉडी शेमिंग होगी, जहाँ पे रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होगा. वो उतने बुरे लेवल तक नहीं
जाएगा.
वो यहाँ तक रहेगा. ओके, लेट्स पार्ट वेज फॉर वन डे. You sit in your room, I sit in my room, let's think about it.
Let's resolve
this. Okay, let's regroup in 24 hours and let's see. And बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि ये वाले रिलेशनशिप तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करते हैं, बट मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं रिलेशनशिप्स के जहाँ पे एक्चुअली में जब आप अपने मास्टर पार्टनर के साथ काम कर रहे हो तो चीज़ें मुश्किल नहीं होती.
Okay.
लाइफ मुश्किल होती है,
हाँ.
रिलेशनशिप मुश्किल नहीं होता. इट इज़ नॉट यू वर्सेस मी, इट इज़ बोथ ऑफ अस वर्सेस द प्रॉब्लम.
Yeah, like it's not
not
me
your
and
ego
you,
versus me.
it's we.
Yes, it's not you said this and I'm gonna do this and now अब तुम देखो मैं क्या करता हूँ. अरे क्या करना है दिखा के, मैं you both are the same, you're the part of the same coin.
Beautiful.
सिक्का तो एक तरफ से चलेगा ही नहीं ना.
हाँ.
So चलने के लिए दोनों sides proper होने पड़ेंगे. So they both help each other grow. They don't smother each other because no one grows in shade. So they're not smothering, but the karmic partners are smothering. They are on an ego trip with each other. It's a love and hate relationship. In the same breath you love the person and in the same breath you hate the person also.
Yeah.
But in a
Yeah.
master partner relationship, it's not that. It's a very complacent relationship. Most of the people don't even have love. They have more respect in that. They feel हाँ ठीक है, केयर कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे की, करते हैं, प्यार ही कह लो इसको, प्यार कह सकते हो तो. और रिलेशनशिप तो है ही है जो अच्छा चल रहा है. डिसीजंस कलेक्टिवली लेते हैं. अगर अपनी बात भी कहनी है तो ऐसा नहीं कि उनमें लड़ाई झगड़े नहीं होते या उनकी लड़ाई बुरी नहीं होती है, बट देन द रीग्रुपिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी फास्ट.
And the bounce back rate.
They bounce back and they don't resort to bad practices. In a master relationship, none of the people will leave the house and go drink with friends. कि अच्छा मैं घर ही नहीं आऊँगा. It's not, you don't want to give torture to another person. You understand the difference?
Yes.
कि आप नाराज हो, आप भी उतने ही परेशान हो, सामने वाला भी उतना ही परेशान है, सेम घर में है या अलग अलग भी हैं. Still they don't want to torture each other. They will still
Yeah.
put a message to check. They will still ask, खाना खा लिया, चाहे वो एक टोन वैसा ही है, but still, like if you are angry, you will still hand over the umbrella to another person in the rain. It's
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Beautiful.
So, but in the other side of it, it is toxic.
Yeah.
It is making
Yeah.
you, it is punishing you for the things that the other person feels you're not doing right. It's governing your life. It is putting you at a state where you don't have a say. And you're just fighting about something that मेरे को तो बोलने नहीं दिया जाता, मेरी तो कोई बात ही नहीं सुनता, मैं तो कम्युनिकेट ही नहीं कर सकती, मैं कुछ कहती हूँ वो बात घूम के मेरे पे ही आ जाती है.
Yeah.
These are the things that tell you that you are in a karmic spot.
And you just have to work through it.
Yeah,
And
absolutely. You have to recognize the signs early. There's no beautiful karmic relationship end. You cannot have a golden handshake with a karmic partner.
You
Ever.
have to let them go.
ऐसे मैंने लेसन सीख लिया है, मुझे नहीं करना, मेरे को
हाँ.
जाना है.
हाँ.
कार्मिक पार्टनर्स का पुल इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है दैट इवन इफ़ यू आर अवे फ्रॉम देम एंड इफ़ यू आर विद अ मास्टर पार्टनर इन लाइफ, वो मास्टर पार्टनर बहुत बोरिंग होगा, इतना बोरिंग होगा कि आपको लगेगा यार ये तो कोई एक्साइटमेंट ही नहीं है लाइफ में. और कार्मिक पार्टनर याद आएगा क्योंकि वो एक्साइटमेंट दे रहा था, क्योंकि वो आपके नर्वस सिस्टम को एज पे रख रहा था.
आई एम सो हैप्पी यू ब्रॉट दिस अप, क्योंकि आजकल सबको लगता है लव मीन्स स्पार्क्स, फायरवर्क्स, अट्रैक्शन,
पार्टीज, ड्रेसेस,
and like no like you have to have this crazy attraction.
yeah.
But what you're saying is that's actually
When people come and
not
tell me,
healthy.
Stuti, that I met this person master yesterday, इतना instant connection था ना, मैं 4 घंटे तक हम बैठ के बात करते रहे, and what do you think about this person? I say run away. And then they're like, नहीं but हमें तो बहुत strong connection feel हुआ, हमें तो बहुत ऐसा feel हुआ. तो मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि रुक जाओ. You know, the person who is truly meant for you is not going to give you butterflies. Not going to give you butterflies.
what will your true partner look like?
Totally boring. Absolutely boring.
Okay.
You know, would not have this opposite attract thing कि तुम्हें ये पसंद है, मुझे ये पसंद है, तुम ऐसे, वो बातें ही नहीं होंगी आप लोगों की.
कैसी बातें होनी चाहिए?
बस जनरल आप बस उसको अपनी लाइफ की वो चीज़ें बतानी शुरू कर दोगे जो शायद आप किसी और से बताने में कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो. You would just share those things and that person would just listen, and then when that person is sharing, you are just listening and you're just like, okay, you know, how can we help each other?
And वो slow burn जैसे बोलते हैं, slow attraction build up होएगा.
Absolutely.
Other than like on the other side when you say fireworks.
It is going to be, I have seen very good relationships with people. They've lived with each other for 11 years and they still don't call themselves partners, but they still cannot be without each other. And they say that our relationship is more committed than even marriage.
Yeah.
But if you ask them, do you love each other, they'll probably look at each other and smile and say कि मतलब हाँ भी कह सकते हो. You know, it's actually like that, because it really doesn't matter in the energy world whether you are married, whether you love somebody, whether you know you are in a relationship. It's just two energies that are so comfortable with each other that you really don't feel that there's anything off. You don't have to put a facade.
Beautiful.
आप जब आपको लगे कि आप किसी इंसान के साथ हो और आपको तैयार होकर के जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है,
हाँ.
you know, or you don't have to put up a face, or you don't have to call him up unnecessarily to check that
कहाँ है, किसके साथ है,
खाना खाया नहीं खाया.
हाँ.
Those two people are very secure with each other.
Yeah.
You know, so it doesn't matter. That's when you
Beautiful.
know that you have the right person.
Beautiful. And you know, this brings me to my other question कि हमने इतनी बात की about karmic partners and people doing the worst to each other.
Yeah.
And पर अगर कोई इसमें से निकलना चाहता है and they know they want to move away but they're not able to, and somewhere we know कि इसको forgive करके आगे बढ़े, but हमसे वो forgiveness हो नहीं रही है.
नहीं, but why do you have to forgive?
अच्छा, you don't need to forgive.
You don't have to forgive. You just have to go no contact.
अच्छा.
That's the only way for a karmic partner to not re-enter your life.
Okay.
There is no way that you will ever find a closure. Ever find a closure. आप कुछ कर लो आज, अच्छा 6 महीने बाद वो दोबारा आपसे मिलेगा, आपको लगेगा अब मेरे को ये क्लोजर मिल जाएगा. नहीं मिलेगा. 6 साल बाद, 10 साल बाद, 50 साल बाद
नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं मिलेगा. It's a battle that you've already lost. The only thing you can do is pack your bags and remove yourself from the situation.
Okay.
That's the only way out of a karmic way. और फिर भी वो घूम घूम के आपके पास आएगा. कभी मैसेज आ जाएगा, कभी किसी दोस्त से रेफरेंस आ जाएगा, कभी कुछ. कार्मिक पार्टनर्स कीप पोकिंग. So you are a karmic partner to them. तो I'm telling you, when you are with a master person, you will always keep remembering your karmic partner, because that was the person who was giving you all the flair. वही था जो तुम्हारे को, because karmic partners का प्यार दिखाने का तरीका भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त है.
Extra.
Everything is extra. they would make you feel so good and then they will make you feel so bad.
Which in psychology people also call as narcissists.
Totally. I mean, narcissism, of course, is a very small term. Karmic partners is a big, huge, energetic field that we are talking about.
Yeah.
But it's like a karmic person can be a narcissist, but all narcissists are not karmic partners.
Got it.
You know, some narcissists
Yeah.
are just a result of parental abuse or something that happened in their childhood.
Okay. Beautiful. मेरे को ना एक थोड़ा सेंसिटिव क्वेश्चन पूछना है कि अभी तक हम रिलेशनशिप के बारे में बात करते हैं बट देर आर पीपल हु गो थ्रू एक्सट्रीम ट्रामा लाइक मे बी there's physical abuse,
Yeah, of course.
there's sexual abuse, or they've seen probably I don't know, murders in life. But is this is this also something they have written in their soul contract and
Everything. You know, as much as we think the rape, the murders, all these things people have chosen in their soul contract. And I know that, you know, a lot of people will not understand what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But this is something that your soul chose as, you know, as an experience, a bad experience, but experience to experience है ना. सोल के लिए तो कोई अच्छा या बुरा एक्सपीरियंस है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
सोल तो पेन ही नहीं फील करता, तो उसके लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, उसके लिए सिर्फ एक एक्सपीरियंस है. सो वो बस एक एक्सपीरियंस चूज़ कर रहा है अपने आप को इवॉल्व करने के लिए, और वो थोड़ा हार्श एक्सपीरियंस चूज़ कर रहा है क्योंकि वो कह रहा है कि भैया मुझे जल्दी पहुंचना है, तो मेरे को फास्ट वाला सिस्टम चाहिए अपने लिए. बट as when the soul experiences something as traumatic as that, there's a shift in the consciousness that the soul feels, because it's a very hard, very painful journey.
Yeah.
You know, so when the soul reincarnates as another person, you know, either that's how they become, you know, teachers, that's how they become gurus, that's how they become, they come into that light only after experiencing something that harsh.
Really?
And then they choose that, okay, you know, I want to shine light on something like this because ये जो मैंने लास्ट अपने जर्नी में देखा ना, ये बहुत पेनफुल था. You know, so as a soul you are not experiencing pain, but you are experiencing the residue, experiencing the evolution that's coming with it, with all that pain.
Okay.
So you decide that, okay, this is too much to manage. So in my next incarnation, I'm going to become someone who talks about this.
Really, I'm listening to you and I'm still thinking, how would that, you know, the Nirbhaya girl or the Calcutta case,
Yeah.
how would, I'm still not able to understand कि वो इतना rape कैसे choose करेंगे for themselves.
बहुत मुश्किल है. It takes a very, very strong soul to do that. A new soul cannot do that.
Oh.
It takes an
Okay.
old soul who's lived ages and ages and ages and seen everything, seen wars, seen genocide, seen everything, you know. आप सिर्फ रेप केस के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, बट पेरेंट्स जिनके बच्चों को ADHD होता है, पेरेंट्स जिनके बच्चे 2-3 साल की एज में चले जाते हैं,
Yeah.
पेरेंट्स जिनके बच्चों को कैंसर हो जाता है, you know, I don't think that, like, all these traumas are just, you cannot compare them. You know, I had this beautiful woman come to me, and her daughter was born premature, like very premature, and for 6 months she could only see her daughter for 2 hours in a day. You know, and when she came to me on a call that I just want my daughter to come home, master, can we do something? You know, she's recovering and she's doing things and everything. The only thing I told her, I said, have you given her a name yet? She said no. I said, give her a name. And she gave her a name which meant Shakti.
Beautiful.
And 1.5 months later she was home. So sometimes the kind of pain that we choose, बहुत सारे पेन मैं अपने सामने ऐसे देखती हूँ जो मुझे लगता है कि अगर ये मेरे साथ होता तो मैं मैनेज नहीं कर पाती.
Yeah.
Being a master, being whatever that I call myself to be, मैं नहीं मैनेज कर पाती. जो उनको, मतलब I have cried on calls looking at, hearing people's story and looking at what they're going through. But the only thing that I can do to that kind of a soul is just salute. Because it's very hard to choose something like that. To consciously know that I'm going to go through this.
Yeah.
and I'm so glad that the universe wipes off the slate before we
Yeah.
enter.
Yeah.
Because if we know it, this is it's impossible to do something
Yeah.
like that.
But you're seeing people like these
Yeah.
who are victims, they come in,
Victim who are survivors of acid attacks.
yeah,
Entire life changes in just 1 second.
second.
Just 1 second. It's painful. But if you see their grit, if you see their strength, if you see the courage, you are so surprised by those people that ये कहाँ से, which part of which chakra of your body is producing this?
Yes, yes.
Because you see people who are bogged down by heat. You know, they're judging you at the cost of breakfast cereal. You know, and
Yeah.
then there are these people who've seen the worst possible
of
nightmare
humanity and yeah.
and still living with those people and still choosing to trust them.
So they are basically here for the collective good.
Collective good. They are the
Beautiful.
ones who are going to become masters later, and a lot of them become masters in the same life also.
Okay.
But the ones who don't survive, they come back as masters to fight that thing out.
Beautiful.
Because you cannot become a master at something without going through it.
Beautiful. Health karma की बात करते हैं. You just even gave us an example of a premature baby.
Yeah.
तो मतलब बच्चे especially, of course it's like some kids are special kids. They are born with some disabilities, or newborn infants are having cancer.
Yeah.
There are stillborn kids.
Yeah.
So how do we understand health and generational trauma?
The children who were the parents who were there at the time of Hiroshima bombing, उनके generations आज तक PTSD से पैदा हो रहे हैं.
हाँ.
जो 9/11 के टाइम पे जिन लोगों ने वो ट्रॉमा देखा, उनके बच्चे आज भी PTSD से पैदा हो रहे हैं. Like a 3-day-old child is discovered and diagnosed with PTSD.
PTSD.
कैसे पॉसिबल है?
Yeah.
3 दिन में क्या ही उसने ट्रॉमा देख लिया
हाँ.
इस लाइफ का? It's the memory. We are all
Okay.
connected with each other through memory.
And someone listening in, going through a very difficult health challenge right now, तो अभी क्या कर सकते हैं to start healing themselves or getting that courage to go through that difficult time?
I always say that there is no lock without the key. You know, so I think जो भी आपने साइन अप किया है अपनी लाइफ में, उसको झेलने का, उसको देखने का, उसको समझने का, उससे लर्निंग्स लेने का, वो सब सामान आपके पास ऑलरेडी है.
अच्छा.
आई डोंट थिंक दैट एनीबडी नीड्स एनीथिंग आउटसाइड. अगर आपने चूज़ किया है कि मुझे कोई क्रॉनिक इलनेस होगी और उस समय उस क्रॉनिक इलनेस में मुझे कोई इंसान आकर के हील करेगा, तो वो होगा. और अगर आपने चूज़ किया है कि मैं उस क्रॉनिक इलनेस से आई एम गोना टेक एन एग्जिट फ्रॉम दिस लाइफ, देन दैट्स गोइंग टू हैपन.
Okay, but how do you make peace with it?
I don't think you can, because that's how our human nature is, right?
हाँ.
We're always looking for something, we're always seeking something, we're always finding something new, we're always living in the future.
Correct.
So it's not possible for us to find that. For that, you need a very stable mind to say that, okay, this is what I chose. Like when you see Baba Ramdas, he worked in spirituality for his entire life, and towards the end of it he had a stroke, and more than half of his body was paralyzed,
Yeah.
but he said, okay, I chose it, but I still do what I do. I still sit in front of the window and I listen to the birds and I do this. Okay, this is how I choose to go, so this is how I choose to go.
जैसे प्रेमानंद जी कहते हैं, both his kidneys
Yeah,
are
yeah.
damaged since 20 years.
Yeah.
But he's like, but this is my satsang that I have to do everything. This is my daily seva, मैं करूँगा.
Absolutely.
But then those are very elevated souls.
Yeah, but
हमारे
that's how we learn to be them. Like a lot of people that I know even in everyday life also that I meet, that they're going through certain health challenges and illnesses, and they still are continuing on with their life the way that they want. कि ठीक है, जो होगा देखेंगे, अब तो जो होना है वो हो जाएगा, जो नहीं होना नहीं होगा, कोई ना कोई रास्ता तो निकल ही आएगा. Again, the lock doesn't come without the key.
Yeah, beautiful. मास्टर वानी. सो हमने रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में बात कर ली, हेल्थ के बारे में बात कर ली. नाउ वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, पैसा, मनी. Everybody wants more.
Yeah.
Nobody feels they have enough.
Yeah.
But I know आपकी बहुत एक पर्सनल स्ट्रगल जर्नी रही है.
Yeah.
From being in a rented accommodation to now you say you are building and you have, I feel, built a spiritual empire.
Yeah.
To achieving everything you wanted. You've had a very difficult journey, but you've achieved it all. So I want to touch upon first of all your personal journey. आपके क्या struggles थे and how did you manifest this abundance in your life?
So, looks like a past life to me now. But
Yeah.
I was in a rented accommodation. When I got divorced, I just had oxygen for around 3 months. My friends got me into a place. And I was a single mom. तो मुझे रेंट पे भी नहीं मिल रहा था, तो मैंने
अच्छा.
अपने लॉयर को बोला कि तुम मेरे हस्बैंड टाइप पोज कर दो यहाँ पे और मुझे रेंट पे आने दो घर में, बाद में तो ये लोग कहाँ आएंगे देखने के लिए. Things like that. And my first job after, or first project after my divorce was only 33,000.
Okay.
And I had dues worth 94,000 to pay every month.
Okay.
Because there was a car that was on my name and the court had given me that car. And it was a very fancy car. ना मैं उसे बेच पा रही थी, ना मैं उसे रख पा रही थी, ना मैं उसे हाथी बुलाती थी कि ये सारा कुछ ले जाता है मेरा, क्योंकि उसकी EMI 64,000 रुपये थी एंड 36,000 रुपये का मेरा रेंट था, और फिर प्लस खर्चे. तो 33,000 मिल रहा है और आपके खर्चे लाख प्लस हैं, तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि कैसे मैनेज होंगे. And I was married to a very affluent family, so my lifestyle and my things were very different. So coming from there into a house which practically had nothing, like no sofa, no furniture, no, like the bartan were also borrowed from friends to come and they, मतलब जो भी मेरे से मिलने आता था वो कुछ ना कुछ अपने घर में जो एक्स्ट्रा होता था वो मेरे लिए ले आता था, चाहे वो बेडशीट होती थी, चाहे वो, मतलब there was I have a picture of a dining table. सो उसमें टेबल कहीं से है और 6 की 6 कुर्सियाँ अलग हैं. अब आज ऐसा ट्रेंड है, तब नहीं था. तो
Yeah.
मतलब तब मैं उसको डाइनिंग टेबल को देख के मुझे लगता था कि यार मेरे घर में तो 6 कुर्सी भी सेम नहीं है. एंड फ्रॉम देयर टू हियर ओनिंग मल्टीपल हाउसेज टुडे, traveling all across the globe for healings, being so respected in the work that I do, building a spiritual empire. Like आज मुझे I remember when I used to not have the money and तब जबोंग करके एक वेबसाइट होती थी जहाँ से हम कपड़े ऑर्डर करते थे. तो कपड़े की फ़ोटो पे तो ध्यान ही नहीं होता था, प्राइस पे ही सिर्फ ध्यान होता था. एंड आई रिमेंबर वन नाइट आई वॉज सो टायर्ड ऑफ बीइंग सो चैलेंज्ड विद मनी. आई ड्रैंक 2 bottles of wine. मेरी एक पुरानी किसी डायरी के अंदर शायद कहीं लिखा भी होगा वो एपिसोड. 2 बॉटल वाइन पी के मैंने जो कहानी लिखी अपने जर्नल के अंदर और जो मैं रोई उस दिन, आई डोंट थिंक आई क्राइड दैट मच एवर इन माई लाइफ. आई क्राइड सो मच एंड आई थिंक it was like everything that was supposed to be cleansed of me came out that night.
Beautiful.
And the next day I decided that come what may, this isn't the reality that I'm going to choose. I have to change it. And then वो बस एक, वो कहते हैं ना, एक फ्लिप सेकंड का एक डिसीजन लेना था बस मुझे, और उसके बाद 1 2 3 4 करते करते चीज़ें ऐसे अलाइन होती गई. स्ट्रगल रहा पूरा टाइम, आज भी है बहुत स्ट्रगल, बट रिवॉर्ड मिलने लग गया उस स्ट्रगल का. पहले वो स्ट्रगल ही था सिर्फ और रिवॉर्ड नहीं था. बट द मोमेंट आई टुक दैट डिसीजन एंड द मोमेंट, लाइक it was as good as declaration to the universe saying that this isn't, like पहले मैंने उस डायरी में सब कुछ जो है क्रिबिंग लिखा है कि ये भी गलत है. And then I said, okay, I want this, you know, when I wake up this has to happen, the next day this has to happen, this is how I script my life, this is how I see my life, in the next 1 year I'm going to do this, in the next 2 years I'm going to do this. मैंने कुछ 4-5 साल का इकट्ठा लिख दिया, मुझे नहीं पता मुझे उस समय क्या हुआ, but I just did that. एंड दैट इज़ वाई लाइक मेरे लिए जो चीज़ें काम करी हैं मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ जर्नलिंग मेरे लिए बहुत काम करता है.
yeah.
You put a pen to a
I love
paper
it.
and your subconscious mind becomes alert
Yeah.
and it is listening to you all the time.
Absolutely. I truly vouch for journaling.
Yeah.
And जो आपने बोला, what helped you release, I try to do it at least 3-4 times in a week. I call it rage and release. So जो भी मुझे सोचना है बिना बस पेन टू पेपर मैं लिखती हूँ. And then there's something therapeutic. I always tear the pages and then I throw them in the dustbin. और मुझे actually feel होता है energetically I'm feeling like lighter.
Yeah, yeah.
So I 100%, and then of course what you said about scripting.
Yeah.
Truly journaling is one of the best practices. थोड़ा आप scripting के बारे में बताइए. If somebody particularly is wanting to manifest more money and abundance in their life, how can they
So
do
the
that?
moment you wake up in the morning, you're in the theta state, which means that your subconscious mind is at a super high alert, and
Yes.
whatever you want to manifest, you can manifest. So when you're lying down on the bed, think of what you're going to do in the day. Pick your clothes one night before. Don't stand in front of the cupboard in the morning in a confused state thinking, what am I going to wear today? The worst thing that you can do to your entire day is that you start with confusion. Take your clothes out one day before. Your shoes, your bag, your hair, your clip, your perfume, everything needs to be there one night before. And the
Nice.
next day morning you will see that you're so much more productive in that day just by doing that one little thing. So
Amazing.
and when you wake up in the morning, visualize yourself in those clothes, because जैसे मेरा बेड है तो ऐसे है, and here there's a my walk-in wardrobe और उसके बाहर एक हैंगर है तो वहाँ पे वो कपड़े हैंग हो जाते हैं. तो from the corner of my eye I can see that this is what I chose yesterday. So I just visualize that this is what I'm wearing. These are my meetings for the day. These are the things that I have to do. Or today my day is relaxed. I'm just going to create something. Today I have a shoot. Today I have podcast. Today I have this. And I just visualize me going through that day, one thing after another. And that's how I just look at that whole day. And the only thing I keep plugging in to everything is peace, happiness, joy. पीस, हैप्पीनेस, जॉय. बस उस चीज़ को मैं प्लग इन करते जाती हूँ. पॉडकास्ट किया, बड़ा मज़ा आया, अरे बहुत अच्छा लगा. काम कर रही थी, बहुत पीसफुल फील कर रही थी. डिस्कशन हो रहा था, बहुत प्रोडक्टिव डिस्कशन हो रहा था. आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू प्लग इन द राइट इंटेंशन इन टू एवरी थिंग दैट आई एम गोना डू इन द डे. ऑफ कोर्स नॉट एवरीथिंग इज गोना हैपन अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, बट दैट इंटेंशन इज गोइंग टू स्टे.
हाँ.
तो अब जब मैं आपके पास से निकल के मैं दूसरी मीटिंग में जा रही हूँ, हो सकता है रास्ते में मेरी गाड़ी ख़राब हो जाए, लेकिन क्योंकि मैंने इस पॉडकास्ट में ये इंटेंशन सेट किया है कि मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा है और आधा दिन मैं उस इंटेंशन में निकाल चुकी हूँ, तो जब मेरी गाड़ी का टायर पंचर होगा तो मैं फ्लस्टर्ड फील नहीं करूँगी, क्योंकि मैंने अपनी बॉडी को सुबह रिदम ही वो दे दी ना.
या
अब उसको हिलाने के लिए बहुत बड़ा झटका चाहिए, है ना. बट एंड आई एम डूइंग दिस कंसिस्टेंटली फॉर डेज एंड मंथ्स एंड ईयर्स. So what happens is that your body gets into that rhythm. अब जब मेरी लाइफ में कुछ डिसरप्टिव होता है तो मेरी बॉडी शट डाउन करती है कि बॉस क्या कर रहे हो, why are you behaving like this, and then in that same moment it allows me to take a step back and rephrase and again do things.
तो ये अगर कोई अभी बहुत फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं तो आप क्या बोलोगे? एक तो आपने अभी स्क्रिप्टिंग के बारे में बताया, डेली आप ये करें, बट समवन हु इज like just not able to think positively.
See, there are a lot of rituals that help. In shamanism,
Yeah.
they say that the ilaj of everything is there in your kitchen,
हाँ.
Cinnamon, very, very powerful herb for manifestation of wealth.
Okay.
Now the reason is not कि एक कोई वो practice है कि इसने कह दिया कि अच्छा cinnamon लगा लो, कोई कह रहा रोजमेरी लगा लो, ऐसा नहीं है. Everything has vibration. There are devices that you put to a plant and you can check the vibration of it.
Okay.
Money has a vibration, cinnamon has a vibration. Cinnamon is the closest vibration to money.
अच्छा.
So if you look at it at a frequency, at an energetic point, you will see that it is not just said because someone thought of it, So when you put a cinnamon and an orange together, it becomes the closest vibration to money.
Okay.
So best thing you can do is if you can get an orange cinnamon, like orange ऑरेंज कवर्ड सिनेमन, और द अदर थिंग दैट आप ऑरेंज का रस निकालो, रात को सिनेमन को उसमें रख दो, अगले दिन उसे ड्राई करने रख दो, आपके पास इतना सारा बन जाएगा। मेरे घर में बना के रखती हूँ मैं। और आप उसे अपने वॉलेट में रखो, आप उसे अपने टेम्पल में रख दो, आप उसे अपने घर में बर्न कर दो डिफ्यूज़र के ऊपर, यू विल हैव दैट फ्रेग्रेंस इनसाइड। क्लीन योर डोर्स विद ऑरेंज एंड सिनेमन ऑयल, वेरी ओल्ड प्रैक्टिस।
अच्छा।
लोग पहले सिनेमन का पाउडर बना के अपने घर के बाहर ऐसे फूंक मारते थे, घर के बाहर खड़े होकर अंदर फूंक मारते थे, ऐसी सब चीज़ें करते थे। उनके जो वो डिज़ाइंस बनाते थे अपने दरवाजे के सामने, उसमें सिनेमन इंक्लूड होता था। तो ये सब बहुत पुराने प्रैक्टिसेस चलते आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे न्यू द वाइब्रेशन, दे यूज्ड टू फील द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ द प्लांट। एंड उनके पास कोई स्टडी थी कि ये वाले प्लांट से, ये जड़ी बूटी से ये घाव ठीक हो जाएगा?
फीलिंग इट।
How would they know? They were feeling it. They were masters at testing the vibration and frequency of things. You know, so use the cinnamon, something as simple as that, you know. Then there are so many tools that are like crystals, that are like coins, that are like rituals that you can do, the full moon, new moon rituals that you can do. But you'll have to align yourself to the energy world.
Yes.
Because money is not a thing. It is a currency. Energetic currency. That is why we say we pay attention. Because that's the energy that we are exchanging, and that is the currency. हम यहाँ पे आए ही पैसा सीखने के लिए हैं. Earth is a school where you learn, your biggest lesson is to master money.
Amazing.
एंड इफ़ यू थिंक कि आप सिर्फ चोगा उठा के और पहाड़ पे चले जाओगे, तो आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रेक इट टू यू कि जब आपकी ये लाइफ ख़त्म होगी और जब आपसे दोबारा पूछा जाएगा, तब आपको ये लगेगा अरे यार जो करने गया था वो तो किया ही नहीं. यू हैव टू मास्टर द आर्ट ऑफ मनी, not by making it, not by losing it, but by doing both and then detaching from it.
Amazing.
That's the purpose.
Yeah.
कि वो इतना हो जाएगा तुम्हारी लाइफ में कि उसके बाद तुम्हें उसके होने या नहीं होने से फर्क नहीं
मतलब ही नहीं पड़ेगा.
That is when you will ascend to a completely different level and you'll, वो होता नहीं, अब जैसे एक इंसान है जो डांस करना सीखना चाहता है ना, वो जब तक डांस सीख रहा है तब तक उसे बहुत जद्दोजहद हो रही है, क्योंकि वो गिर भी रहा है, उसका पैर भी टूट रहा है, उसका हाथ भी टूट रहा है, किसी दिन बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस हो गया, किसी दिन गाली भी बढ़ गई, तो वो उसके अंदर ही स्ट्रगल कर रहा है. नाउ दैट पर्सन हैज़ बिकम द मास्टर ऑफ दैट वन पर्टिकुलर डांस, कि वो आँख बंद करके भी कर सकता है. आज मुझे जब मैं इंटरव्यूज़ देती हूँ, स्पेशली एंटरप्रेन्योर इंटरव्यूज़ देती हूँ, तो मुझे लोग कहते हैं कि यू आर द ओनली वन बिल्डिंग अ स्पिरिचुअल एम्पायर. आप इतने दावे से बोलते हो कि मैं स्पिरिचुअल एम्पायर खड़ा कर रही हूँ, आपको कैसे पता है? मैंने कहा बिकॉज आई कैन सी इट. आई एम नॉट विजुअलाइजिंग इट, आई एम नॉट इमेजिनिंग इट. इट इज़ अ रियलिटी फॉर मी दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी सीन.
But
now I am just working towards that reality.
You're already at that level where you know ये हो चुका है, not even हो जाएगा.
ये हो चुका है.
We have to go from हो जाएगा to हो चुका है, and then keep doing our work.
Absolutely. Because your subconscious mind does not know the difference between reality and imagination.
Yeah.
So when you tell your subconscious mind this is done, the subconscious mind like, अरे what did I miss? How am I going to make this work? You know, so when you say things in the present tense, your mind starts working towards building that reality.
I love that. Thank you for, actually making this entire conversation very practical and relevant, and like how you said, not woo-woo.
A lot of people say that manifestation is कि मैंने सोचा और हो गया. मैं तो सुबह उठ के ना 15 मिनट सोचता हूँ कि मेरे को ना ऐसा सब चाहिए, बट पूरे दिन में मेरा तो होता ही नहीं है जो मैं चाहता हूँ. कैसे होगा ना? बिकॉज मैनिफेस्टेशन इज नॉट वन प्रोसेस, इट्स नॉट जस्ट थिंकिंग. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक विजुअलाइजेशन इज इमेजिनेशन. टोटली रॉन्ग. देयर इज विजुअलाइजेशन, देयर इज इमोशन, एंड देन देयर इज एक्शन. हम बाकी के 2 पार्ट मिस कर जा रहे हैं.
वो बस सोच पे
सोचा. अगर इफ आई से दैट ओके आई एम बिल्डिंग अ स्पिरिचुअल एम्पायर, आई एम जस्ट गोना थिंक that I'm building a spiritual empire. I'm in this very beautiful, very big office. It's not in India, it's the headquarters, and I'm there. How am I feeling there? How does my room look like? What fragrance is there? I have mapped it all. What to the point कि मेरा खुद का body weight कितना होगा?
Wow.
You know, कि मैं उस समय कैसे दिखूंगी, मैं कैसे रेडी होंगी, मेरे बाल कैसे होंगे, मैं कैसे अपने आप को कैरी कर रही होंगी. हाउ विल माई डे लुक लाइक, एंड आई लिव थ्रू दैट डे, एंड देन आई कम बैक एंड आई से ओके what am I supposed to do to get there?
Amazing.
That is manifestation. Visualization is not manifestation.
Absolutely.
सिर्फ जर्नलिंग करके हम जर्नल में लिख रहे हैं 500 करोड़ चाहिए मुझे,
काम तो करो.
और फिर वहाँ आकर के हम जिंदगी चोरी कर रहे हैं दूसरे इंसान
हाँ,
से, या उसे चीट
yeah.
कर रहे हैं, या सोच रहे हैं कि ये वाला सामान 200 का खरीदा है 500 का कैसे बेचते हैं.
हाँ.
So
Yeah, that misalignment is
that's
there.
misalignment.
But that's been amazing. Thank you for all the practical giveaways and the amazing knowledge you shared in such a simple form. And मैं सबको बोलने वाली हूँ, you've stayed with us. Thank you so much. And for more such conversations and practical takeaways, do subscribe to the Sangam Project. And Master Vani, before I let you go, हम संगम प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं विद एन इंटेंशन एंड वी एंड द पॉडकास्ट विद अ बिग क्वेश्चन. वैसे तो हमने बहुत बातें की हैं, हर ही क्वेश्चन बिग क्वेश्चन था बिकॉज वी टच्ड अपॉन generational trauma and karma and destiny and free will. But when I was thinking about this podcast, I was like, what do I want to ask you? So this is what I want to ask you, क्योंकि आपने बोला that you know, we have the key to every lock and you have traveled on this journey. And lot of us are still stuck कि हमें जाना है दूसरी तरफ, बट हम अभी भी पर हम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. तो आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू, बिकॉज यू हैव गॉन थ्रू अ लॉट इन लाइफ एंड अचीव्ड एंड आर नाउ लिविंग योर ड्रीम लाइफ, what does true freedom look like?
First, I want to touch upon when you said that you feel stuck. You feel stuck because you're solving someone else's puzzle.
Okay.
It's not your puzzle.
Okay.
You're living somebody else's reality and you're trying to solve a puzzle जिसके pieces ही आपके पास नहीं है. So that's what feeling stuck is. As far as true freedom is concerned, I think money is a very big factor to give you that freedom.
Okay.
A lot of people think that being rich is about buying brands and traveling and doing
Yeah.
whatever. But what you're actually doing is buying that freedom. You know, today I'm going to go out with my father today. He wants to buy a wallet. We're going to go to the Emporio Mall shop. It's a Saturday. I've bought that freedom for myself.
Yeah.
You know, so I think that is what total freedom is, when you feel that you don't have to worry about the money, you don't have to worry about relationships because you have a great master partner with you, you don't have to worry about health because you know that you're doing everything that you can do to keep it in the best shape, and knowing that there is some way that you have chosen to exit, and whenever that exit is going to happen, some way is going to appear. किसी का हेल्थ होगा, किसी का एक्सीडेंट होगा, किसी का कोई क्रॉनिक इलनेस होगा, यू नो, किसी का सुसाइड होगा. हमने कोई तो एग्ज़िट चूज़ करी है, तो जो भी वो एग्ज़िट होगी वो तब देखेंगे, बट तब तक लाइफ गुजार है.
Beautiful. What a beautiful note to end on. And thank you for having me at your beautiful, calming space. And thank you.
Thank you very much. Lots and lots of love to you and to all the listeners that you have. I wish that your channel grows leaps and bounds and we continue to do these series of podcasts even in the future.
Yes, for sure.
Thank you, Amalvi.
Thank you, Amalvi.